Welcome to the Research and Writing Center's fourth and final video on comma rules. This time we're going to focus on the bracketing comma. Commas are used in pairs, just like brackets, to indicate a weak interruption of the sentence and add information that is non-essential. A weak interruption means that it does not disturb the flow of the sentence and it could easily be omitted without destroying the meaning. As in, for example, Margaret Thatcher, who hated trains, never traveled by rail. Or, Dali, of course, was ahead of his time. Both sentences make complete sense without the non-defining relative clause, the interruption that is within the bracketing commas. Margaret Thatcher never traveled by rail. Dali was ahead of his time. So there are three things to remember. A weak interruption does not interrupt the sentence flow. The interruption can be removed without destroying the meaning of the sentence because it adds non-essential information. The only time bracketing commas do not appear in pairs is if the interruption appears at the beginning or the end of a sentence. As in all, I think the class was fun, or the pub crawl starts at the Brechtbau, a big university building. There are several marker words that can indicate weak interruptions. Although, though, even though, because, since, after, before, if, when, and whenever. Interruptions introduced by these words are often rather long and tend to be located at the beginning or end of sentences. Please remember that those words might but not necessarily have to be indicators for weak interruptions. Before you mark off a weak interruption, please make sure that it actually is one and not an essential part of the sentence. Additionally, check if everything you put in comma actually is part of this interruption and that no part of the interruption is left behind. For more information, appointments, and videos, visit uni.mywconline.com or our Facebook page.